What if Excel could do your work for you? Imagine receiving the same sales report every month, and spending time formatting data, creating summaries, and building charts. Now imagine doing all of that with just one click. In this video, I'll show you how to use Excel macros to automate repetitive tasks and save hours of work. Okay, let's get started. Imagine you work for a retail company that receives a new sales report every month. Before sharing it with management, you always perform the same repetitive tasks: formatting the data, adjusting columns, formatting dates, creating summary reports, and building charts. Doing that manually every month wastes valuable time. Instead, let's teach Excel to do the work for us. First, go to the Developer tab and click Record Macro. Give the macro a name like Create Monthly Report. Then click OK. From this point on, Excel records every action you perform. Let's build our report. Format the sales column. Select the sales values. Right-click. Choose Format Cells. Select Currency. Choose the dollar symbol. Set decimal places to 0. And click OK. Now adjust the column widths, so all data is clearly visible. Let's also improve the date formatting. Select the Order Date column, and apply a consistent date format. Next, let's create a management summary, showing total sales by region. Move to an empty area of the worksheet, and type region in one column, and total sales in the next. Let's format the header, and adjust column width. Under the region heading, we'll use Excel's unique function to generate a list of regions automatically. Type equals unique. Then select the region column from the table. Close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Instantly, Excel extracts each region only once. Next, let's calculate the total sales for each region. In the Total Sales column, enter the SUMIF function. Start by selecting the region column as the range. Then select the first region in your summary table as the criteria. In this example, that's L2. Finally, select the sales column as the sum range. Close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Excel immediately calculates the total sales for the selected region. Now simply drag the formula down, or double-click the fill handle. Now we have a clean management summary, instead of hundreds of transaction rows. Next, select the region and total sales summary table. Go to Insert, and choose a column chart. Once the chart is created, remove any unnecessary elements. Add data labels. Go to the View tab, and uncheck grid lines. Add borders. Your report now looks professional and presentation ready. When you're finished, return to the Developer tab, and click Stop Recording. And here's where the magic happens. Next month, when a new sales file arrives, you don't have to repeat any of these steps. Simply go to Developer, click Macros, select Create Weekly Report, and click Run. In seconds, Excel formats the sales values, adjusts the layout, generates the regional sales summary, and creates the chart for you. What used to take 15 minutes every month can now be completed with a single click. That's the power of macros. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the most repetitive Excel task you'd love to automate? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.